the first chord shape is an F, where you take your first finger and you're going to bar the B and E strings on the first fret, but you're kind of turning your finger to the side, and then your two finger goes on the second fret of the G string, and the third finger goes on the third fret of the D string. Now, because of what's happening next, if it's easier for you to go ahead and bar these three with that first, the G, B, and E strings with that first finger, do that. And there's your F chord. Then you're sliding that up to the third fret, and then you're moving your you're moving your middle finger to the B string on the fourth fret. So you had that same shape, but then you're just moving this guy over, and that sounds like this. And that's the E flat slash G. Then you're moving that middle finger back to the G string on the fourth fret for the G chord. And the rhythm to this is 4 Fs, 1 E flat, and 1 G. So then we move to the verse, and we have a C chord, first finger here, second finger here, third finger here, first finger, first fret, B string, second finger, second fret, D string, third finger, third fret of the A string. Then the second chord is a C major 7, you take your first finger away. And then the third chord is a C7, where you put your first finger back down, but then you add your fourth finger to the third fret of the G string, so it ends up getting in there with those other friends like that. And then we're back to an F chord like you were in the intro. And then a D7, which is a triangle. So first finger on the first fret of the B string, second finger, second fret, G, third finger, second fret, E, 4 strings, and then a G chord. So that shape is the same. You still have that triangle shape, but you move it up a fret and over a string. So you have your one finger on the second fret of the A, the 2 finger on the third fret of the E, and the 3 finger on the third fret of the high E. The rhythm for the second part is down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. Now part 3, the chorus, you have A minor, first finger, first fret, B string, second finger, second fret, D string, third finger, second fret, G string, and then you're switching to an A minor major 7, where your first finger goes on the first fret of the G, second finger, first fret of the B, third finger stretches over to grab that second fret of the D string, and this is 5 or 6 strings. And then you take your first finger away to play this A minor 7, which is normally played with your 1 and 2 fingers, so if that's more comfortable for you, that makes sense. But it's easier to switch from this to this. And then you have a D7 again, and that's that triangle. The rhythm for this goes, they're all down strums, and you're stopping them. So they're all like staccato notes. So you're playing 4 staccatos on each one of these.